Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can log in into your UPSR login. So I might be pronouncing it a bit wrong, UPSR, but it's basically you will be SERs. Okay, so this is basically an employee account. So UPS is for normal people. So for those people who do not know, UPS is a cargo, so you can even track where your shipment is going, at which location has been correctly stored before, like it's been cargo, and into like the main destination, you can track your package as well. So basically, it's a cargo company. Alright, and you'll be SRS is like a website or like a login portal for like the worker of UPS. By going into it, you guys can get access to many more feature which like a normal UPS person will not get access to, right, because you are an employee to UPS. So let me show you guys how we guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World Them, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you just search for UPSC RS login, like you just search like this. Once you search for it, you can see UPSC RS UPS Enterprise Portal Login. Make sure it says EP. Ups. Time you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. So wait for some time, it loads up. Over here it says Enterprise Access Management. Once it says that it's okay, over here you need to enter your employee number and basically add ups. At the end. So let's say my employee number is this, I type it over here and at the end I write it ubs. Make sure you do not write it Gmail. Alright, because that's going to be your Gmail account. You don't want to log in into your Gmail, you want to log in into your UPS account. So you write this, click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, you should be able to log in into your UPS account. So it's asking me for my password. I can enter it, click on sign in, and I should be able to log in into my UPS account. But if I for some reason forgot my password, I can always click on forgot my password in order to recover my password as well. Alright, hope you guys understand how you guys can log in into it as like an employee. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day and peace out.